Um, once this buy side hits, I'll probably be done for the day. This will be my objective. Or this is probably gonna be the draw right now because we inverse is hourly. So if that ends up hitting, I'll probably just be done because I'll have no more targets after that. No, I look at everything from the bias. I mean, I look at the 15-minute. I look at the 4 hour. To me, the 4 hour or the hourly is just so obvious here. So I'm using the hourly. You really can't see the inverse on the hourly, which sucks. So or on the 4 hour. So I'm gonna use the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news. I'm on eval right now though. Why am I not looking for shorts? Um, I don't really want to look for too many moves today with the news tomorrow. There's equal lows, yes, but they're too insignificant to what the hourly is telling me right now. This hourly is more bullish in my opinion. Uh, I'll be trading my PA account if we get an entry. But if we hit this before news, I'm probably not going to trade it. No, today shouldn't be untradeable. I mean, we'll obviously have to see what we get, but guess who's back? How soon you upload the live streams to watch back? I try to do it within the same day. So tomorrow, I'm going to Ohio tomorrow, so I'm gonna have a more stream tomorrow, and then Thursday, if he comes on, he's probably like I don't know if I'll be here Thursday. I might, I don't know, but I'll probably just be messing around, just paper trading. Thursdays definitely do not trade. I mean you can probably take Thursday off if you want, and then tomorrow I'll be in the road, so I'm probably gonna join on my phone, and then a moral screen share and. But tomorrow I wouldn't trade the AM session either. No, for FOMC I'll be a Cedar Point. I'm going to Sandusky. It's a pretty nice park. Why wouldn't I trade AM tomorrow? Because there's FOMC in the afternoon. That's why. What do you mean top thrill two? There's only one. Why take Thursday off? Because it's the day before NFP and I never traded that day. I only mess around. Wait, they remade it? What do they do to it? Does it still do that BS where it goes halfway up, then it falls down if there's not enough weight? We saw that happen a couple times. It's funny. It's been down since May. Damn. What do you mean a back spike? So is there top throw dragster then top throw dragster 2? I'm confused. 1 minute short? Sure, if you're bearish. Looks pretty good. I would give this, if you're bearish, I'd give this probably A. Forced halfway up, backward. Oh, I see. Top thrill. Damn, they changed the name. Oh yeah, I see. Damn. But it's still the same roller coaster. So it's so you're saying it's forced all the way to like up here? Oh wait, they added this? What in the world? So does it not go 0 to 120 anymore? That's crazy. So I'm guessing it goes back here, then it speeds up. Damn. And that's kind of cool, I guess. Oh, it's still 120, but it's not like 0 to 120 like it used to be. I get what you're saying. Like right off bat. That was fun. No, today's a trade day. Like, for example, if you're bearish, you could take the setup. I'm not bearish, though, so. My target is going to be this high right here, and once this hits, I am not trading anymore. I will trade an eval account only. Day before NFP is definitely no trade day. The only time I don't trade before FOMC is the session before. It's always a session before NFP. Or FOMC. The AM session before. So. Yeah, 5 more minutes to open. Am I already in a trade? Yeah, dude, I'm in a straddle here. I don't have an FOMC strat. We're gonna do the eval thing for NFP as long as I can. I don't know if we'll see what happens Friday, but hopefully I'm going to Sandusky, Ohio, not to go to Cedar Point, but for my cousin's baseball games. That's why I'm going. So hopefully they're not Friday morning. I don't really look at earnings reports now. Why? Can I explain what I mean with momentum, no chop? I just mean like we don't do this like choppy like this is choppy. Like I want to touch any FEG in any of this. This is too choppy. This is like this stands out to me. Like this little price leg stands out to me. Nothing stands out to me in this entire price leg. So like, for example, I wouldn't take this inverse here ever because it's surrounded by choppiness. This stands out to me more because this is like all of a sudden like a giant impulse move out of this. So are we shorting this inverse? Yeah, we are. So that's kind of why yeah, that's kind of why. Like this price leg stands out to me more. This is just more choppy. So I wouldn't take anything inside here. So yeah. 3 more minutes to open. Remember, for anyone just listening, buy side is going to be 19390.5. One minute still valid. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, open in 40 seconds. If the 4-hour inverse is at 10 a.m., I don't really care at I'm bullish here. I don't care what the 4 hours telling me. The 1 hour is telling me bullish. I think we're gonna go to this high. Once this hits, I'm not trading my funded account anymore. Hey, what's up, Hulk? Where were you yesterday? Dude, someone asked me to lock them out of my live streams just to test themselves. They're like, dude, like, so they made me like put the thing on their Discord where I lock them out so they can't join. Kind of funny, but they just didn't want to test themselves without me, apparently. Guess who's back? Back again. All right, let's see if we close below us 1 minute. If we close below us 1 minute, I really can't say like I can't say I'm bullish if we inverse this 1 minute. We're probably gonna go run this low if I had to guess. So we should go run this low just because again a lot of LRLR here. Good momentum through this. Again, not a play I'd take, but just tape reading for now. Okay, maybe we don't run that low, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter because we're not even trading. So pretty good 30-second long here. Probably not going to be valid. Nope. So not even valid. Back again. Honestly, this is one of those inverses where like, so I'll try this. Obviously on paper because we have news, but this is one of those inverses I think you could take maybe even though we hit the internal high. Now, keep in mind, I don't do this. Like, I would never do this on a live account. We're going to test my theory because we're paper trading and we have news, okay? But we're going to see if what I'm saying is wrong to be like, oh, if I did take this on a live account, would this rule save me or not? But this could be one of those ones where even though we hit the internal high, like if the bias is right, technically this should still be respected. But again, paper only. We have news at 10. Don't actually take this. If you do, I'm gonna ban you. Yeah, man, I blew my account too. Blew my paper account. So far, kind of respecting it. Yeah, Pete, don't even type that in chat. That's like a common sense. Okay, so pretty nice respecting of this. See, this is technically where I'd go to break even now, but I'm on demo, so I don't really care. But again, we're gonna try not to go to break even here. Why did I tell you to full port? I don't know, man. Just gotta wait for the news. So this is definitely this is definitely being respected. Like it's definitely one of those inverses that like okay, the bias probably is bullish that this is going to be respected. So again, did this inverse technically fail? No, it didn't. It didn't close above, then close way back below it, end up closing above, and then it hit this internal high again. So it technically didn't fail. You took 40 cons. I'm gonna take 40. I'm gonna take 39. Or I'm actually gonna take 41. I'll top you right there. Try to beat that, buddy. So now this technically failed, but did it actually fail? No, it didn't, because again, we made a new internal high here. All right, what you would have done is we made the new internal high. Once we re-hit that internal high, right, that's when you go to break even, because I know the market would probably pump there, but again, not obviously. Is this price action expected right here? Is this expected? Are we expected to close below and above all these IFGs here? Like, is this, why do you think, like, why did I long there even though we closed below it? Because, again, there's news. We're expecting sloppiness. Okay, it should be sloppy. It's not going to be perfect before news. So, um, that's just what you kind of do before. That's just what happens before news. Price just gets sloppy. So, all am I not going to go to break even that position size? Nah, I'm feeling risky today. So there's the high again. Um, so this is where you take profit, some profit, and then you move south to break even. But yeah. All right, I'm just gonna watch now. Back. You think I should buy more? Not enough. I'm just gonna watch now. Miami Open. This is called one chop for life. Back again. All right, I know what to say here. It's just chop, choppity chop, chop. Not really much to teach you guys here besides just don't do anything. Since there rating any good setups, was there any good London setups? Let's see. Um, yeah, this is a good one. Oh no, that was Asia. I mean, this was a good one during Asia. You got little manipulation here. Broke this with pretty good momentum. Because it's Asia, I probably would not have moved without the break even here, but yeah, that was a good session. That was a good one during Asia. During London, don't really see anything I like. No, I like this. This was good. This short. Swept this by side, barely any displacement above it. I probably would not have liked the short if it wasn't for this candle here. Like, I don't think I probably would not have been looking short here, but then all of a sudden, if we got that candle, I'd be like, maybe I'll try short. Because it's like, oh, I know it's probably going to be a break-even trade. I know where we're coming off of. We're coming off to the left. Not really anything, but it's just the fact that we have a death candle there through all this. Just tells me, okay, it's probably going to be bearish. So, because Asia moves slow. If you move top to break even in Asia, you just get stopped every single time. So yeah, that was a good set. Did anyone take this one? Anyone? Okay, I guess not. Matthew, what about it? Little speed bump. Yeah, it'll probably be a little speed bump, but literally complete garbage. This would be pretty fire if we got this. 30-second inverse. That would be a pretty good entry. Probably I get like an A. 8, probably A minus. Kind of high, but yeah, still waiting for the news. 5-minute left is holding beautifully. Okay. Who took that 1-minute short? Hopefully no one. Okay, maybe we do go for these lows. I'm not going to marry them, but pretty hefty rejection there. I'm going to have these marked just in case. Not really, Jack. It's just you don't have to pay me anymore. Okay, there's that sell side. Again, I could kind of tell we were going there just based off that momentum and candle close. How will I be able to tell if we're going to these lows? Well, if we break this 5-minute fair value, I get most likely. So I can't say these lows are going to hit really unless this 5-minute breaks. If this 5-minute doesn't break, then this isn't bearish. Gotcha, Jack. Yeah, I mean, it's up to you. So if this 5-minute inverse is, we'll probably mark out these. We'll probably go to these lows, or we should go to these lows. But if not, then we're not going to go to these lows. There's still a lot of time till this candle close. There's still 3 minutes. Little 15-second inversion here. We'll take this for fun. Stop the break even there. No way this high doesn't hit, bro. That would be so annoying. That's really annoying. Okay. Okay, buddy. Damn. Why was the 1 minute short not valid? It was valid. You could have taken that if you wanted. Hopefully you didn't because we have news, but it was valid. This 1 minute short, or this 1 minute long looks pretty good too. If you got like nice momentum above that. Yeah, chewing the leg. So what you do is you just move your stop to break even when we hit the other one. Or the 2 minute singular. So I'm not really liking this price action though. So 1 minute. If this gets closed below, probably gonna dump to these equal lows. But if we don't close below this, then I can't say that. I'll play Julma. Wait, is this like a whole different? This is a whole different thing. It's a whole different website. That's funny. Dude, you guessed right. I paid $23 a year. You're saying you can't pay $23 a year? Okay, so it looks like this 5 minute may hold here. Again, notice how I'm kind of like looking like right now. What I'm kind of doing is yes, I'm bullish in the hourly because we have an hourly fair value gap, but like for short term bias, I'm just using like these shorter term fair value gaps. So like the 5 minute, right? I'm not really using any longer term ones for like what I think's gonna happen now. So we still got 4 minutes until this candle close. Right? Do I truly know if we're gonna close beneath this or not yet? No, I don't. Okay, I don't. Can't just say, yeah, we're gonna close beneath this and we're gonna short right now. That just makes no sense. Now, can someone who's maybe confident we're gonna hit these equal lows assume we're gonna close below this? Sure, but do they know for sure? No, they don't. All right, if we end up not closing below this and then we got like an insane instantaneous reaction and it went all the way back up here, do you think I'd care about these equal lows anymore? Yeah, I probably wouldn't, right, if I saw that. $15. Yeah, you got another 15 set up here. This is like just, I don't know. This is just not price action I like. Let's get a little snaky here. Oh, this is choppy. I hate this PA. It's like it has no spirit to get anywhere. It's like just trying to do whatever, just mind its own business. It has no drive to get anywhere right now. Yeah, I'm taking a 7-minute nap here. If we got a candle like this right now, I'd paper trade long this for sure. Let's see. And then you'd instantly move stop loss here. Oh, I guess we're not going to get the close. Yeah, I know there's a 5-second short. I saw it, Leo. There's this one right here. I mean, this isn't bad, but because we technically swept these highs. Pretty good candle back below. So it wasn't bad setup. Nice trade. All right, 5-minute close below, unfortunately. So this is probably going to be bearish, but I'm still not going to marry these lows. But I will say this definitely is more bearish now. Take a little paper trade. Guess who's back? Back again. We got news in 5 minutes. What do you guys do when you wait for news? Does anyone play like a video game or anything? Like I'm just sitting here. I was just sitting on Clash of Clans. I don't get the hype with Brawl Stars. My friend plays it. I don't think it's that fun, but I mean, maybe I'm saying that because I'm already so good at Clash Royale and Clash of Clans that I don't want to start like a new Supercell game. That's why I don't want to watch Brawl Stars, or that's why I don't want to play Brawl Stars. You're watching videos of goals of Messi. That is the best answer so far. Rick Shields. I used to watch him all the time. Am I free to play on COC? No. What's Arena Clash Royale? I got 2.2. I got my highest is 2.2k legend trophies. I was ranked like 3,000 in the world. Or wait, maybe 5,000. First target is not hitting. But we did just leave equal lows down there, so we're probably gonna get blasted through. Bearish or bullish Ice King? I think there might be a bearish one. Full port news. Honestly, full port play, scaling at these lows could work. I don't know. We'll see. It's Jolts, so I feel like Jolts is gonna make a decent move. I think rugby's cool. I don't really know much about it. I'm uneducated on rugby, so. Yo, that is sick. Look at this. That's pretty fire. Send us like a recording of something you played. Yeah. I'd love to hear. You're an opera singer? That's cool. I'm an opera singer too. Only in the shower though. Yeah, I bet. Oh, there's Jolts. Let's see if Jolts can take out these equal lows. So you can definitely see the clear reaction to Jolts there. But yeah. Now we just wait for a setup. Really, James Chris, that's kind of very surprised about that. These lows should hit. I'm very surprised they haven't hit yet. I mean, they're perfectly equal. Let's see if this. So that 15-minute just broke, so now they should hit this 15 second. Sorry, but don't really. They're kind of stalling at them a little bit. But now that this 15-second broke, I mean, we should hit them. I'm guessing when we hit these, we should get like a pretty big candle through them. I'm sure there's a lot of stop losses. So there they are. Let's see if we get like a big candle through them. Yeah, there it is. So a lot of stop loss resting there. Pretty obvious I was gonna hit. And now the last target would be these equal lows at 185. So these should definitely hit for sure. And boom, there it is. So there we go. So my eval account screen, but did not take anything unfunded. I am not souping this. Absolutely not. Now we're gonna look for a reversal. So we'll look for like an inversion here. So this 1 minute inverse would be fire. However, if we don't get this woman inverse and we just keep dumping, am I going to be done for the day? Most likely, because I'm not going to short this. Also a 15-minute fair value gap here. I mean, there's kind of, I can kind of draw like, there's kind of this one, and this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of combine them. And we also just swept this 15-minute low right here. So if we got like a 1 minute long here, that would be pretty fire. You sent link. Where do you send link? Oh, I see. All right, we're gonna watch this. Actually, I'm gonna watch it. Ugh. Hey, this is nice. I only know like 5 drum beats, and I forgot 4 of them. Or I forgot 3 of them. Just haven't played in forever, and you forget if you don't play. But um, dude, this is so tempting. Maybe here. Yeah, this one looks good. Definitely A plus setup for sure here. As long as we get good momentum above it. All right, there's a close above. So for this one, obviously first target would be here. And would probably move south to break even here. The only reason is because the first target's a south break even, and this would be already a good move. So okay, stop the break even here. I'm out most here, right here, and then I'm gonna hold a runner till these highs right here. So 266, just a runner though. So nice little. How many points is that? 12, 22, 32. That was almost 30 points. So I still have one runner. You guys can watch if you want. Took 10 contracts, so. And I still have my one little micro left. Let's see if my one little micro prints. My final TP is going to be here. Is this considered RLR? Technically, but you know, I never. On the days where we don't have news, I don't trust it to get ran all the way through lead. That's why I scale everything here and just held one runner. I just don't trust it. But rock solid. Are you in this, buddy? Yeah, it does pratique, but that didn't really weigh into my decision here. Tyler, if you didn't take that, I would have banned you from this Discord, dude. I'm guessing this is probably going to get stopped to break even. This was just stalling a lot, so there it is. But pretty good trade. Still made a lot of money. I mean, that was how many points? 11, 22, or wait, 21, 31. That was 27 points with almost a mini, with one mini, so that was pretty good. So, yeah, that's going to be my only trade for today. And now we just watch the rest of the day, and we do not do anything the rest of the day because we have FOMC tomorrow. So, all right. How many people took that trade? Type 1. If you didn't take that trade, you're a donut. Yo, guys, look at all my Discord bots. I paid for all these bots. These are actually fake people right now, and no one took this inverse, okay? These are all fake bots right now. So, yeah. So that's definitely a situation where people are like, oh, how do you get such high R? That's a situation where I don't hold shit past this high. And the only reason I didn't was because it's because again, we have FOMC tomorrow. I would rather take majority of profits here for almost a 1-to-1 and just maybe hold a runner, see what happens. But would I recommend trading PM? No, I would not trade PM. This looks pretty good too, right here. Dude, that literally, I'm not even kidding. That could literally be my only trade till Friday. I think so. I think that will probably be my only trade till Friday. Because yesterday was good, today was good. So ending today and yesterday green. So I don't know. That might be my only trade. Because I'm not gonna want to trade tomorrow. I'm gonna be on my phone in the car, and then Thursday, hell no, and then Friday, I don't even. We'll see, but I'm probably gonna be at a baseball game for FOMC. Yo, is anyone want to go to the Cleveland Indians or the Cleveland Guardians game? Uh, when Thursday maybe? Let me see what dates this for. I'll be there. You want to say hi? August 1st. So Thursday night. If anyone wants to go, you can come say hi. Dude, this looks so good. I'm gonna paper trade this one. Who's gonna paper trade this with me? Why am I not live trading this one? Yeah, no need. I'm done. I don't need to. How much? Oh, I think you're good, Snitty. I think you're good because 779 isn't that much far over 700. Get ready. Right. The second this closes, I'm getting in. You can trade this on eval if you want, but if you lose, don't blame me. All right, I'm getting in. 30 contracts. If this loses and you guys are in and you guys are over trading and you just took that green trade, like, man, I would be like, I don't know. That would just be very laughable. Very laughable. That's all I'm gonna say. Uh, this is where the overtraders get killed. Yep, exactly. That's why I'm taking it on paper. Do you watch ES when I'm gonna trade? Yes, yeah, I do. Typically, it doesn't really have a lot of effect, but I'll watch it. Not looking good. I'm just kidding. This doesn't look good or bad. Okay, stop loss to even. I don't really want to move my stop loss here. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is gonna hit. All right, stop loss here. There we go. Now stop loss. Kind of stopped again. No way. Why? Damn. Where will she stop? She's Wait. So she stopped out this high? Damn. Wait, what trade did she take? Oh, she took this. Damn. Yeah, she's not a bad losing streak, but dude, I wish she used inversions. Bro, no way she just got stopped and now we're dumping. No way. Let's see how she deals with it. I wonder if she shorts this bearish one now. Hmm. Yeah, I knew it. She's gonna short this one. See, I don't know. What do you? I feel like this isn't a bad short. Like if I was newer, I think I'd take this. Right? I mean, I'll long the inverse if we get it, but I don't think this is a bad short. Here's the thing, I just don't. I'm bullish, so I want to short anything. It's like we're delivering from this hourly. Why would you short if we're delivering from this hourly inverse? So I don't know. All right, she's back in. She just got short again. I'll long this if it inverses, but she's shorting. And then again, I don't think this is a terrible short, but so I think this short is the best shot of working. That's what I think. Yeah, I know her chat's telling her that she's not to do it. I don't think she should listen to her chat. If she thinks it's a good short, then she should take it. But yeah, she replied. Good move here. This is her target, this black line. This is where I go stop to break even because if we went back to my entry, I'd be like, yeah, no, I wouldn't want that. Dude, imagine we just reverse here and just get like a 200 point candle. Yeah, I know. Biases, I saw them. Just the 50K. I think you can make a little more on the 100K because you're requesting 2,500, not 2,000. It's whatever 30% of 2,000 is, or whatever the payout you can get. Just made equal lows right here. Damn, dude, I don't think that video saved. Yeah, we might have to do another type 1 video. Shit. See, this is where I move south to break even. Alright, we're doing another type 1 video because this just did not save. Give me 1 second. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Alright, ready? Everyone get ready. Alright, this is for Instagram. I'm gonna post this on I'm gonna make this an actual post. Alright, type 1 if everyone took that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Little inversion, 90% win rate inversion right there. Guys, these are all fake Discord bots. I literally bought all these people, okay? These are actually fake people, and they're just all typing 1 to make me look cool, but no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, 90% win rate, man. Inversion setup, A+. Alright, that's good. Thank you, guys. Sorry about that. I know it sounds like fake, but... Alright, you guys can stop now. Stop. Wait. We should do another one where you guys are saying... Wait. You guys should all... that would be funny. If you guys all said, like, I'm a bot, I'm not real. Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna do another one, and you're all gonna say, like, air. You're all gonna type in, like, air with a bunch of numbers. Okay, type in, like, air with a bunch of numbers. So it's gonna be like this. Just do air and then do end like that. Okay. Can you guys all do that? So, like, make up your own numbers. All right. I'll ask you guys again. All right. All right. Not yet. Not yet. I didn't ask you guys yet. No. Stop. 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 All right. Ready? All right. We're gonna do it. Ready? All right. Type 1 if you guys took that trade. 90% inversion. Oh shit. Yo. Okay. Dude, I hired a bunch of Discord bots to type 1 if they took the trade, and damn, this actually works. Guys, these are actually fake people right now. These are all like Discord bots to make. So what I'm trying to do is this is a paper trade, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to scam you guys, and I'm gonna try to make myself look cool. But these are all bots. These guys are not real. But yeah, type 1 if you took that. Yes sir. Yes sir. Okay, that's good. All right. We're gonna see how well that does. Tanya's still in her short. Ellie, that's funny. Should hit. I kind of went a little heavy in that one trade, FX. Yeah, Taylor, I would say so. Mm, yo. Yes, sir. There's the target. Because that was still a good trade, I felt like. A class on turtle soup? I can try. This is fun watching her trade. This looks fire. Dude, oh my god, I keep looking him down. I'm just making sure on paper. Who was in the stream when I was actually on my live account? I have PTSD now. I keep looking down. I'm like, please tell me this is paper. Like, I get scared every single time I enter now on paper because I'm like, just making sure it's paper. But she's still holding. What do I think about the woman inverse? Don't like it. It's not obvious. Yeah, Matt. Who wants to play Geoguessr after this? Bet. One of my songs? I don't have any songs. Yeah, I have Geoguessr Premium. Julma, just join me. I pay for it, so you can all join me. I actually scaled up on that trade, Ryan. There's no way that was gonna fail. But that's where definitely screen time comes into play. So. That's a good question, Dapper. Hey, let's go, Vignesh. Vignesh, did you take Big Net, show me your executions for the 1 minute long. The Olympic opening ceremony, I will be not watching that ever again. That's what I think. Hopefully that doesn't offend anyone here. If I offend anyone in here, I'm sorry. Which days do I not take any trades? Well, tomorrow morning I probably won't because we have FOMC the afternoon. Let's see if it hits. You can trade Lennon tomorrow, probably. Yeah, Wednesday. Well, Wednesday we've FOMC, so I won't be able to trade AM, and I'll be at a baseball game the afternoon. So yeah, it's not a bad day to take off, but I mean, I would try trading FOMC. I just can't. Dude, wait, who joined my PM stream yesterday and started taking trades? Was it Julma? Was it you? Or no, it was Julius. I was taking paper trades because I never trade PM. I think and then they started taking it like, oh, I just lost. I'm down 300. I'm like, oh. And I think he's new, and I don't think he understands. I don't trade PM. I just go on just to mess around and just trade paper on PM. Yeah, it was you, Julius. Yeah, I never trade PM. I just go on for fun usually. AM is where it's at. Trust me. Did you take that trade, Julius? Okay, good. See, that's like the only trade I'll take all day now. Be right back. Dude, my dad is so bad. Hey, let's go. Our TP hit. Yeah, Pete, I know. I forgot to take it. I'm gonna. Yeah, I set a voice meter. It sounds really good. Dude, isn't this entertaining watching this? All right, go like my Instagram video. Yeah, that'd be sick if we sell this hit. Why do you think the short she took? I don't know. That's I don't know. I probably because these equal highs. I bet you that's why we left these low equal highs. Now these don't really matter that much, but I mean they're still technically valid. So I probably those equal highs if I had to guess. Also the IPG, I think the IPG had to deliver first, and we delivered. The retest delivered, and now that it's already been used up here, it's like okay, now we're gonna go through it again. Now it's probably not gonna hold. So there's could be a lot of reasons. So yeah, 2 minute long setup. Good paper trade. All right, Google Forms, then outro, then GeoGuessr. Wait, Hulk, are you still in here? Also, plus AV, are you in here? Did you take that, Hulk? Damn. All right, everyone, fill out this form. Yeah, I don't target the LRLR, especially on a news, especially the day before news. I just never trust this all to get ran. I don't know. That's just something I do. We have FOMC tomorrow. This could be all safe for FOMC. I don't trust that to get ran fully. You guys realize we took a one setup for life, right? I'm hoping this inverse plays out for Tanya. I'm hoping this I'm hoping this inversion dumps us. Because that would help Tanya's position. Then maybe go this low. All right. Well, doesn't look like they're gonna inverse it for now, but all right. That's enough of Tanya stream today. Hopefully, she made her money back. Yo, GD. Oh wait, I think I already told you this. I might have you log into my account for war, dude. I do not feel confident. Well, no, not this war, but CWL. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Can I try to flip a 5K account for a video? Do you mean try to flip a 5K account so you can completely copy it and make 5K? No. Nice try though. I like that was a good route to go. How about you just learn how to trade, then you size it however you want. All right, let's go over the yeah, I'll execute on your computer. Just invite me over, buddy. All right, fine, GD. All right. Oh, 5 1s. Interesting. Interesting. 5 1s. Um 2 1 1 2 3 3s 8 4s. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how she gets her bias, but definitely opposite of mine a lot. Banging again. Green FN. Do you think Apex will ever go down? Nah, not for now. Very confused why you took the long against your #1 rule of equal lows. It was a one setter for life. We had data highs. Data highs are going to be just a magnet there. So, Newswick at 10. So this is what you kind of expect. I thought this was going to happen. I'm not going to lie. I was a little wrong, but it's okay. Like, I thought we would probably take out that full LR, then go down, but I guess we didn't because just FOMC tomorrow. So it's just you want to be careful. So yeah. Also, this was good enough momentum where I'd take this with equal lows below because of the momentum. So like, I'd expect this to work at least to the internal high. Now, if this started getting really choppy in here and I saw these equal lows, then I probably wouldn't have taken it. But this is good momentum. So we were expecting at least this high to hit, which is free money. Jake, technically, yeah. So, yeah, it's a valid inverse, I guess. I mean, theoretically, this would be the valid inverse right here. You'd want to wait for both of these to inverse. Or this 2-minute. This would be a good paper trade. 2-minute probably looks the best here if I have to take one, but. So, yeah, that's kind of why. Not really much going on. Yeah, I mean, I took one trade. There's not really anything that has to go on today. I mean, Brian, I guess we didn't really have the market structure shift. No. Discipline, yeah. I appreciate that. Exactly. Exactly. Too messy with paper trade, then real trade, then paper trade. Not very organized. Yeah, man. I mean, you're probably new or something. You paper trade before 10 a.m. news, and once 10 a.m. news comes out, then you look to take a live trade, and once that live trade hits, and that was a good trade, then you go back to paper. So you go paper, 10 a.m. news, live, then paper again because that was a good trade and you don't need anything else for the day. Right? So I paper trade after that. So good string, good trade, but stop with the wishy-washy statements like these lows should hit here, etc. Um I think this low could I think these could hit here. Or I mean, this is looking bearish, so these could hit. So are y'all gonna take a short now that I said these could hit? Yes? Okay. Yeah, just because I say these could hit doesn't mean they actually enter a trade. So I can say as many wishy-washy statements as I want. That doesn't matter. I could literally say, yeah, we're gonna pump 200 points. Does that mean you're gonna get in? No, because if we don't have the model, we don't have the model. So saying wishy-washy stuff should not matter at all if you're following my model. Does that make sense, everyone? We could be dumping 500 points. I could say, yeah, these lows should hit. Yeah, we don't have my framework to even get in, so you wouldn't even enter. Okay. So unless we have my model, it doesn't matter if I say these lows should hit, these lows shouldn't hit. It doesn't matter. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But if we don't have the model to hit them, then it doesn't matter if I'm wrong or right, because if we're not going to take a loss. Okay. So I could literally come in tomorrow for FMC and say, yeah, guys, FOMC should pump 200 points. If I said that, how many people are just long just because I said, oh, this could pump 200 points? Anyone? And no, because you're here to learn my model, and that's what we're taking. We're not here to listen to me say, oh, this could pump 200 points and then guess, you know. Yeah, this is like the biggest thing. I don't know. This takes you a while to understand. Is there a 2-minute close yet? No. Like, you'll kind of get used to it. This is like my 10th time coming before an FOMC. Yeah, probably 20th maybe, but you kind of get used to it. So, is a candle close at 10:15 enough invert? 10:15 one. No, that was good. That was good. I mean, it took us 2 candles to inverse it, and we were delivering off of this, which was also another which was also BPR. So that was fine. It didn't really stall that much here. It's just more like small. It's kind of smaller, but that was fine. That was a good trade. You're green for once. Dude, you should really be green a lot more. If you're really if you're ending, yeah, guys, type 1 if you're banking. Sperm just said. Everyone type 1 if you're banking. If you're not banking, type 2. So Sperm is for any new guys. Sperm actually owns this Discord server by accident. I've known him on Twitter for a while, but I accidentally gave him permissions to. He asked me to like give him owner for a second because he had to change something, and he couldn't get him back because it's his work email. That he doesn't work that job anymore, so he doesn't have the email. So please do not ban me. If you do, I'll literally. I'm not even messing around. Don't do that. Didn't take any trades yesterday. Um, not really, Matt. Why you on Adderall? Oh, all right. Goodbye. Didn't take any trades today. One when I funded. One and one eval. Good. Um, how can okay? This is gonna be fun. I can already tell it's gonna be a fun read. How can I get a refund for my lifetime? Dodgy, you say, oh, 5 setups played out today when you call out a lot of setups and only stand behind good plays only. I promise I'm not a signal bot. I actually understand your model and your break-even method. What is it? A setup, whatever. But I'm here because I want to see you liking the setup that I'm looking at as well, which gives me more conviction and more confidence because this is your model at the end of the day. Sometimes I feel like you are not honest if a setup is good or bad. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I said this was a good setup. I said it was A plus, did I not? I said, wait, did I say this was A or A plus? I think I said A plus. Yeah, I said this was A plus. Um, and all the other setups I didn't like, and this is the only one I took. So, I mean, you can shoot me a private DM, but 30-second looks better for this long, not the 1 minute. The 1 minute's not obvious here. I think the 30-second would be better here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see if I can get someone on stream tomorrow for FOMC because I don't think I'll be here. I'll be at a baseball game. So let's start. So this is a good setup. All right, this is a good setup. Okay, for you, whoever wrote this. I think this is an A setup. We swept liquidity, and yeah. However, why am I taking this in my live account? Why only paper trade? Yeah, because I'm disciplined. I'm green. I don't need to take this in my live account. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm still looking at the bottom, and I'm scared shitless, and I'm on my live account somehow. So I'm not. But I'm not taking this on my account. All right. Do I have a minimum RR before I paper trade? Nah, just one good setup. One or two good setups. But yeah. So we're just gonna have fun and watch this play out. And you know, I don't really care about this. But yeah, let's go back to here. All right. 5 last week of my first week, and I lost half my live account. Now I'm working on not over trading / revenge trading / oversizing. Yeah, that's the death of a lot of accounts. That's the death of a lot of accounts for sure. Like my model definitely does help with psychology a little bit, but I mean, man, you gotta you have to just trade a while. So I don't know. 5 out of 5. The 10:07 short from yesterday was a win in the 1 minute, but would have been a loss in the 2 minute. Let me check. 10:07. Let's see here. 10:07 yesterday. Oh, wait. Yeah. Um, here's the thing. I don't know. That's a good question. I feel like I'd be more like I don't know. I guess it would have been a loss. I mean, I can't really put myself in the shoes of this trade because I didn't take it, but good question. I I feel like I wouldn't have stopped out because we had equal lows here. I probably would have waited for the 1 minute. I don't know. I don't know. I can't say anymore. It's hindsight. I don't know what I would have done live time if I'm being really honest. I guess that scenario just doesn't happen a lot. So, I mean, if the RR is good, then yeah, you put your stop at the high. You could have just put your stop at the high for this one if you had the conviction in us going to these equal lows, but I don't know. I mean, it just depends, I guess. That's a very rare scenario, I feel like, so. Um, in your experience, have you ever met or heard anyone who was literally turned into an IPG? I haven't. I have been. I have been being careful though. So 30 points. Wow, you're not hungry anymore. That's not discipline. That's laziness because people pay you. I bet you didn't bench press 200 pounds. Okay, I'll send you a video. Good troll comment. Nice live stream. Sadly, no trades. Gotcha. That's unlucky. I bear. Okay. Thank you. You are just make change buys and keep change the trade views, and trader who is doing good don't do it. I'm not gonna lie, man. Um, you might want to use Google Translate a little more if you're gonna try to understand my streams. So I have no idea what this means. You are just make change bias and keep change the trade views, and trader who is doing good don't do it. Yeah, I don't know what this means. So I explain every single time I say I change my bias, I explain why. I don't just change my bias just to change it. I change it based off of what price action is telling me. Does that make sense, everyone? For example, Tanya said she went in neutral today. She's a good trader, but she went in neutral, and then she was like, "Oh, I'm now bearish." So you can't sick. That's why, like, at the beginning of the day, I said I'm not marrying one thing today. I was like, I'm not gonna marry this. So, all right, I'm 0 for 5. My chart lagged and missed today's trade, down 4%. Almost all my paper trades are winner slash break even. I think you're just cursed, and I think you should start like a fresh new account. I think that's what you should do, just because I think it's gonna be better in your mind. So maybe try to start like a new account, and it might feel like a good reset. Maybe would that help? Maybe. I mean, I'm not sure how you're going 0 for 5. I didn't even see 5 trades today. So that's questionable. You might, hopefully you're not revenge trading. DD strategy is actually so good that I was brought to tears last night over how bright my future is looking in trading, combining the strategy. Dude, that's awesome, man. Awesome. Good job. ICT's in time to stream? No way. Well done, kiddo. he's gonna say something back. I don't know what it is, but it's gonna be bad. Uh All right, back to reviews. Okay. Um, let's see here. Paying you to watch Tiny is diabolical. Dude, you're paying me to show you a trader who's really trading and just to get different perspectives. I don't know, it's gonna help a lot of people. Like, it's good to see different perspectives when people lose and stuff. That's why I should like. That's why I show you. Like, it's just good. Does that make sense? Why I show her? It's good to see the psychology of someone who's losing. You just saw Tyna take a loss. She didn't revenge trade. Well, I don't know if I would consider that a revenge trade or not. Probably not. But she still had the same idea. Made her money back. You know. It's good learn. It's just good for you as it's trying to be profitable to watch someone like that. It's great. Type one if that makes sense. Good. All right. Don't like watching Tyna stream. Yeah, I don't. Okay, I guess we won't do that anymore then. Apparently, I'm sorry. All right, great stream was bullish because the hourly and the one structure, but didn't take along my funded because it was negative RR. Just take it. Just size down, man. No way. Yo, no way you said that. Yeah, I gotta post this on Twitter. It's just fun to watch. I knew it. I knew he was gonna say that. I knew he was gonna say that. I knew he was gonna be something in my Discord. Let's wait. Let's what I say back. Don't you have something with a? Yeah, we should all join and just start saying dodgy, dodgy, dodgy. No, just kidding. We're not gonna do that. Oh, we got 3 dodges in here now. Uh, ICT always joins the stream. I think Bitcoin's bullish. All right, sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Well, technically the stream's done, so. All right. So basically, you rated my stream a 4 out of 5 because of how you did. Thanks, got it. Okay. Good call on that 1 minute. Can you explain how you manage your risk on that trade? Please, can you explain how you manage risk on that trade? Is going for 1-to-1 was, I mean, yeah, I just really went for the 1-to-1, scaled most, and that was kind of it. I'm making an execution video. Okay, I will make an execution video. This 3-minute looks good. I do agree. Reliable. Almost, actually, the 4-minute looks the best. Maybe the 5, but I will make an execution video and I'll explain it very slowly so you can watch back. I'm waiting for one good setup where I'm here on my desktop and I can execute it in live time. I just haven't gotten it yet. I scale up when I think a play's gonna work. Like really, really, really think it's gonna work. No, we're not beatboxing. What do you say? Turning off money? Yeah, that's something I did. I always love to do that. Changing the ticks and taking off the money. That's a great, great, great thing you could do. I love doing that. DD inversions work well when your bias is right. Get wrecked when you have bias wrong. Well, my bias was technically wrong today, yet the inversion still worked. So, not probably doesn't make sense to write this on a day like today. Wait for another day to write this bad feedback. 0 out of 5 all time, 2 weeks. Oh, not okay. Not 0 out of 5 today. I get what you're saying. I think you should start a fresh new account. I don't know. That's just unlucky. So. All right. Let's, Adrian, you're kidding. Aiden says not to overtrade. The overtrader says not to overtrade. Thank you, Aiden. Isn't it so nice being done and not taking all these, like, just not even having to watch the chart anymore? Like, isn't that, like, the best feeling? Because it's like you just feel no FOMO. You just kind of chill. You're just laying back. You're doing nothing. You just, if you want to be profitable, I know it sucks. And I know I get bad feedback. Like, oh, why are we watching Time to Stream? Why are you talking about Clash of Clans? Why are you talking about whatever? Okay, I know it sucks, but it's going to help you in the long run. All right, outro and then GeoGuessr. Did anyone? All right. Hey, what's up, Harps? You didn't take that 1 minute inverse.